Hi guys, my name is Taylor Payne. People say, oh, find what you're passionate about, find what your sole purpose is, blah, 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 blah. And I used to preach that until I realized there are so many steps and ways that you have to move so you're not broke and living on the street or living with an abusive boyfriend or living, whatever. You have to make sure you're still financially dependent and can get yourself to where you need to be, just sustain yourself until you're making money. So it's not about what you're passionate about, what your sole purpose is. You'll get there, but there's steps that you can maneuver in order to sustain yourself while you're getting there. So find what you're good at. What are your skills? What can you turn into a hustle today and get a client, get $2,000 for a service, whatever, make $300 just to get yourself by? What are you good at? Do that, because you can turn that into an operating business. It may not be your passion, but you might be really good at it, and that's your skill set. So get that up and running. Now you've got capital to throw into what you are passionate about, and you're not, missing meals and trying to figure out where you're living next week,